In this video, we're going to take a look at the idxmax function. There's also an idxmin. This is one of the functions I feel like is underutilized in pandas. I'm going to use a dataset that I created for the Pandas Cookbook 3rd edition, which is some baseball data originally taken from RetroSheet, where you can see the terms of use. Okay, so I'm just going to take that file and first and foremost, load it into a data frame. Now, if I look at this, I kind of see an ID and baseball statistics. Okay, so this is 20 years worth of player performance. If I want to know who the best was at each category, I could go through and kind of, sort values descending, see who had the best, or as a convenience function, if I'm trying to identify these players quickly, I can use idxmax. So to do that, I need an index of the ID, and then I could just simply call idxmax. It immediately tells me for each and every column which index value had the maximum value for that column. Super simple and super easy.